Hey everybody, it's Courtney back with another Fantastic Friday video. This is video number 22. In this video you'll see Ray just talk about two of our popular diesel fans. So check out the video. If you have some questions or you want to know more, you can check us out on our website. Give us a call anytime or direct message us on Facebook. And I hope you guys have a good weekend.
Hello everybody, my name is Ray Matney here with Paul's Fan Company, and today I'd like to talk to you about a couple of our models that we manufacture here in Big Rock, Virginia, and we have available for sale. These two particular models are popular in the aggregate industry. However, we've been doing this for many years, and due to the new requirements with the exhaust emissions, we've had to upgrade from our older series of diesel fans. And so today I'd like to take a few moments to share with you what we have that will give a cleaner exhaust emission underground and also is in compliance with the EPA standards that's required these days. Two models that we have here today to show to you. The first one is our 72-inch model. It also is powered by the same engine as what our 8-foot model is that we're getting ready to show you a little bit more about. Our 8-foot model comes with a Deutz Tier 4 diesel engine, and it is set up and designed to run strictly on clean diesel fuel. It is not rated to run with any type of biodiesel or any type of component other than straight diesel fuel. With that, this engine has very good success. We have several of them that's in the field currently operating. We have a clutch engagement system, and that automatically starts the fan blade. When you purchase these from us, they'll come standard with a control box. This control box is a weathered type enclosure, so it's safe for you to have underground. They're very simple, user-friendly, easy to work with, easy to use, and easy to troubleshoot. What you're hearing now is the startup procedure. You're hearing the fuel pressure actually build up on the Deutz engine. Once it reaches that point and cuts off, then it's safe for us to do the startup. Then to simply start the engine, hold the center button. As you can tell, this control panel shows us several different things. Shows us the fuel storage, temperature, RPM, also shows us PSI, and operating speed, oil pressure as well. Now, once you have the thing running, simply engage the pump system. Then you come back, speed, throttle up the fan. This fan, the great part about this fan, it will produce at zero static pressure, 180 to 190,000 CF. Another feature that's really great about these two fans is they're portable. You can easily hook to them with a vehicle or a piece of equipment that come on a trailer frame, and you can tow them to various locations throughout the mine. So if you need them in a certain location, you can easily tow it there with a small vehicle or forklift. Also, we build these stationary as well. We can build a platform skid, and it will set solid to the ground, have the flex and the stability that it can need. So there's several different configuration options that we can provide. Now, talk a little bit about the fan. We are using some aluminum fuel cells. The aluminum fuel cells also have gauges in them that tell you the fuel level. Each of these tanks together hold 50 gallons of fuel each. So you have 100 gallons of fuel stored. The new DeWitt's engine is water-cooled engine. In order for us to get to the EPA compliance with the exhaust, DeWitt's had to generate a water-cooled type engine that will keep itself cool running at full throttle. These engines so far have a very good service life, and they have a very good standing. We have several of them currently running in the field with great success. The fan is very common to our fan that we have on our other models. It is using the same type of axial blade on the up and side, and it's also using the SKF spherical roller bearings. The front of the fan, as you can see, it's carried with a towing hitch, pinnacle hitch hookup, or we can modify it to whatever you'd like to have. This is the outer structure, and you notice how the fan casing and the rotor housing is built, manufactured here. It's all built using mild steel, heavy edge thickness. In our screens, we have very good success with our screens. The stability of them and the webbing, they will give long life and long time use. So this fan is available along with our 6-foot model fans. They're available for sale today, ready and available for immediate delivery. We have several of each of these models built up, ready to sell, ready to put on a truck and send to your location. Call us if you need further details. If you'd like for us to share pictures, like for us to share performance charts, let us know and we'll be more than happy to help you. At Paul's Fan Company, we strive to be number one, and that's our goal, to be the best that we can be and support our customers, not only 5 days a week, but 7 days a week. We are available to service your needs for a fan. And we thank you. Call us anytime.